rank up or basics. Okay, first step, mag-join kayo sa group. Tapos, ang magiging rank nyo is just private. And then, after that, gonna return the game. Yeah, you still this right? Dito kayo mag-spawn dito right here. Tapos pasok kayo dito. Tapos I'm gonna show you the perfect uniform for beginners. Do not wear this is 2 uniform. Complete with battle dress uniform, this one. Which is I'm wearing right now for off duty or patrol. And this is the physical training. Which is I'm gonna use this for training. Regular military training. This is accessories remover. I'm gonna wear battle dress uniform for now, which is I'm off duty. I'm gonna go there like Rosales, the blue. I don't know what to call that. Basta papasok kayo dito, magtagalog na halaman. Yan, makakita kayo ng pads, oh. Ayun, pads. Ito, pads. Dito kayo maghihintay ng mga instructors, ng mga nag-host ng divisions, regular military training. Ito yun. Ito yung mga division ng instructor na kailangan nyo hanapin. Training and education information. Mga officers natin. Chief of Staff of the Army. Lieutenant General. This is the Philippine Military Police, the Provost Command. This is our mods too. Right. You see like this. If you will not wear the uniform, or if you have no head, you will get jailed by Provost Command. Make sure your skin tone is brown and you have a head and a perfect face too. Make sure to wear a uniform, or like if you want to be like this. That's so for okay guys, I'm gonna show you how. Alright. First step, you swap training and education information, hosting an RMT, and if you saw there, or basic military training, if they change, I don't know, basic military training, join it. If you miss it, so bad. You're gonna waste again hours and hours and hours just to join them. Alright, you're gonna go here, gonna join the training, follow the rules, and after that, we're gonna go here, wait, I'm gonna show you the parkour. After the training, we're gonna wedge here, which is the end of training. Alright guys, after the training, you're gonna wait for your rank, which is you're gonna show the picture of the Discord server. Discord server is on the